Many years ago, I taught myself how to make videos using the Canva free software. But by using these free tools mixed with a little creativity, I learned the basic process I still use today, thousands of videos later. If you've ever wanted to create videos but felt completely lost, this lesson is for you. Let's get started. I am in Canva using a free account. You can tell because it's asking me to try the paid plan here. First, I'll come over to Video, click on that, and choose any of these. I'll choose Landscape. Now I'm in the video editor. The first thing I'll do is come over to Uploads and drag in a file. I'll show you how to do it. Just drag an image file in like this, or you can click here on Upload Files and choose the file. First, I'll drag this one in there. You can go to Elements and search for something like Forest, then go to Graphics, and you'll see all these things to choose from inside Canva. If you're on a paid plan, you can use everything, including these with the crowns on them, but since I'm using the free plan, I can't use those. Let me show you what happens if you do. If I were to use this paid one, but I'm on the free plan, check out the watermark. Can you see that? So it'll have this watermark and you don't want that. So that's why you don't want to do that. So let's get rid of that. So that's why I decided to go here to Uploads and just drag it in myself because I didn't find any free ones that I wanted to use. These particular images I got in a place called Creative Fabrica. This is Creative Fabrica and it is one of my favorite websites that I use, probably 10 years or longer now. They have everything in here. If you look at the screen right here, you'll see all the different things that are included. Today, I'm going to come up here and search for forest. You've got many categories to choose from. Oops, sorry, I misspelled it. If you want to choose something in particular, you just click on the square here. So that's where I found this graphic. Now I'll click on it and go to Position, and I'll detach it from the background because I don't want it to be stuck in place. You'll see why in a minute. Now I'll take it, make it fill the page. I'm also going to add a small outline on it. Next, I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I'll go over here to Elements and type in Sky. Remember, I can't use the ones that have a crown because they're premium, but I don't see anything here I really like, so I'll click off of Graphics and choose Videos. Then I'll click on that and look down here and see what I can find. I think I'll choose this one right here. Now let's click on Position and pull it behind so you can see what's going on behind it. Now watch this. Now we've got something going on in the background that's a little more interesting than just a static image. Then I'll come back here to Elements and type in Walk. I'll get out of Videos and choose Graphics. I'll go to Animation, click on Animated, and now it'll show me everything that's animated for this term. I'll choose this guy and pull him right down here. And I'm going to pull him over here so that he's almost off the page. Then come up here to Animate, click on this, then on the B, and now I'll pull him across. Yeah, that'll work. Then choose Smooth or Steady, slow him down, and now we're done with that. So now we've got lots of movement going on in this scene. So let's make another one. First, I'll add this as a placeholder. So let's go back to Uploads. I have another image in here that I want to use. I'll drag it right next to this one, and I'll pull it out a little bit like that. This time, I'll search for birds. So go to Elements, then Graphics, go to Animated, and then choose one of these. I'll get this one and put it there. Then duplicate it here. I'll flip it too. Let's add this little guy. Now I'll look for hiking. I think I'll use this guy. Next, click Animate, click on the B, and then I'll make him walk across. Let's add a few deer. You see that problem right there? See the deer in front of the man? We don't need that, so I'm going to take him and move him up above that. Now when he walks, he's in front of the animals, and that's what we want. So you want to make sure your layers are in the correct order. You can click on Position to see your layers like this, okay?
So let's do another and something a little different, okay? So I've used some images from Creative Fabrica, and I've got another one that I made with AI. I'll add it right there. I've got some ideas that I want to use on this one. First of all, I'll go back to Elements and search for Umbrella. Then I'll go to Graphics and choose Animation. I'll use this lady right here. So I'll drag her down here. Then I'll take the lady and shrink her down. Since it's a rainy day and the ground is wet, let's make that even more evident by doing something different. I'll search for rain. I could look these, but I don't really like any of them, so I'll go back here, click Off Graphics, and choose Video. Now I'm going to do something a bit unusual. Let me show. First of all, I'm going to choose this one right here. I'll drag it right here and pull it down just like that. Next, I'll take the transparency and lower it. Then I'll pull it below like that. So now when she's walking, you see there's water there. So now you can see the rain hitting the ground. That is a really cool effect. Now I've got one more thing I want to add. I'm going to grab this one and pull it here. After I stretch it to fit, I'm going to lighten it up. Yeah, I like that one a lot. You can see the raindrops down here and up here too. The last thing to do now is click on this lady and animate her. So I'll click on Animate, then the bee and walk her across the page as if she's having a leisurely stroll in the rain, and then click Done. The next thing you need to do is come right up here to Share, make sure you click on Download, and then make sure MP4 is chosen. Click Download, and now it'll download to your computer. So once it's done, you'll have a video of all these 3 scenes using various techniques. You could use these to make a video about anything: sports, the weather, an explainer video, a kid's cartoon story, something your classroom, etc. So I hope this lesson helps you. Now it's time for you go out there and make your own video and learn how to use these techniques in your own projects. I hope you have fun. Okay, one last thing I wanted to show you before we stop. I'm going to come back here and add some sounds to this. I'm going to a site called Pixabay, and I'll go to Sound Effects and search for rain. If you want to hear any of them, just click on the triangles here. And if you like them, you can download them over here. So I'll download this. If you want to read the license, you can right there. I'll do the same basic process for all the sounds that I need. Next, I'll go to Uploads and drag them in here, just like that. To use the sounds, you drag them right there. You can also change the volume as needed. And that's how you do that. In just a second, I'll show you the final project.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.